Welcome to INR Auto. The 2025 BMW 5 Series doesn't just make an entrance, it commands attention. With its sleek, modern headlights and bold grille design, including the optional illuminated kidney grille, this sedan exudes a sharp, sporty confidence. Under the hood, power meets precision. The 530i and 530i xDrive boast a 2.0-liter BMW twin-power turbo inline four-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 48-volt mild hybrid technology. And the BMW 5 Series envelops you in luxury. The standard moonroof floods the cabin with light, while the optional Sky Lounge panoramic roof offers a sleek, open-air experience. For those craving more, the 540i xDrive delivers with a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine, while the 550e xDrive combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor for seamless, dynamic performance. The BMW 2025 5 Series is crafted for excellence. High-strength, lightweight materials enhance rigidity, ensuring exceptional driving dynamics. Advanced driving assistance features like active blind spot detection and lane departure warning come standard, with optional upgrades like the Driving Assistance Professional Package for added convenience and safety. Acceleration times vary by model, with the 550e xDrive hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, and the i5 M60 blazing to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 3.7 seconds. On the road, the BMW 5 Series shines. Standard 19-inch wheels offer style and grip, with optional 21-inch wheels for a bolder statement. The driver-focused cockpit features a BMW curved display, slightly tilted toward you, with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central information display. Sport seats provide plush comfort, and optional glass controls add a touch of elegance to every interaction. The Harman Kardon premium sound system, with 12 speakers and a 205-watt amplifier, delivers immersive audio. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.